Welcome back everyone, Don here. Today, we're diving into ethical hacking, the art of using hacker skills for good. Think of it as being a digital security guard, finding and fixing vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. The best part? Every resource I'll share today is 100% free. We'll cover 7 top websites that can take you from zero to cybersecurity hero. If you're curious about tech or want to break into cybersecurity, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the top 7 free websites for learning ethical hacking. First up is Cybrary, a digital library packed with free cybersecurity courses. Cybrary's strength is its massive, structured catalog. You can start with basics like Introduction to Cybersecurity and progress to advanced topics like penetration testing. Courses blend video lessons, reading, and virtual labs for hands-on learning. The platform is beginner-friendly, breaking down complex topics into easy modules. No computer science degree required. Cybrary's community forums and study groups let you connect, ask questions, and collaborate. The free tier gives you access to hundreds of hours of content, covering networking, Linux, cryptography, and more. While there's a paid option, the free resources are more than enough to build a solid foundation. Cybrary is perfect for exploring different cybersecurity areas and finding what excites you. Think of it as your foundational textbook for the field. As you grow, you'll return to Cybrary for reference and deeper dives. Bookmark this one. You'll use it throughout your journey. It's a launch pad for anyone serious about cybersecurity. Start here to build your base, then branch out to specialized tools and platforms. Cybrary's mission is clear. Make cybersecurity education accessible to everyone. Don't miss out on this essential resource. Next is Hack the Box, the ultimate hands-on hacking lab. Here, you practice real-world hacking skills in a safe, legal environment. The core experience is solving boxes, virtual machines with vulnerabilities you must exploit. It's like a digital escape room. Scan, probe, exploit, and gain access. Hack the Box is gamified. You earn points, climb leaderboards, and challenge yourself with increasingly tough machines. The community is active and supportive, offering hints and collaboration without spoilers. Machines range from beginner to expert, and retired boxes come with official walkthroughs to help you learn. The free tier gives you rotating access to active machines and starting labs. Plenty to keep you busy. Hack the Box bridges the gap between theory and real-world application. It builds practical skills and muscle memory for penetration testing. If you want to learn by doing, this is a must. The sense of accomplishment is real. Solving a tough box is incredibly rewarding. You'll develop a hacker's mindset and workflow. It's challenging, fun, and respected in the industry. Start with the beginner labs, then level up as you grow. Hack the Box is where you turn knowledge into skill. Third is TryHackMe, a guided beginner-friendly hacking platform. Unlike Hack the Box's sink or swim approach, TryHackMe walks you through each step. Learning happens in rooms, modules focused on specific topics like web security or Nmap. Each room blends short theory with immediate hands-on tasks in a browser-based virtual machine. Learning paths guide you through curated tracks, so you never feel lost. The Attack Box feature lets you hack right in your browser, no setup required. Gamification keeps you motivated with points, levels, and badges. The free tier offers hundreds of rooms, including a pre-security path for total beginners. TryHackMe is perfect if you want a structured, step-by-step journey. It's user-friendly and removes technical barriers for newcomers. You'll build confidence as you progress from guided tasks to independent challenges. The platform is accessible, engaging, and highly effective for learning. If you're intimidated by other platforms, start here. TryHackMe bridges the gap between theory and hands-on hacking. It's one of the best places to begin your ethical hacking journey. Number 4 is OWASP, the Open Web Application Security Project. OWASP isn't a hands-on platform, but it's the definitive reference for web security. The OWASP Top 10 lists the most critical web vulnerabilities, essential reading for every ethical hacker. The site offers detailed cheat sheets, guides, and documentation on everything from XSS to cryptography. OWASP also provides free open-source tools like ZAP, a professional-grade web vulnerability scanner. Local OWASP chapters host free events and workshops, great for networking and learning from experts. The information is peer-reviewed and trusted by professionals worldwide. Use OWASP to understand vulnerabilities in depth and learn industry best practices. It's not gamified, but it's the go-to source for authoritative knowledge. When you encounter a new vulnerability, OWASP is where you get the full story. Bookmark it. You'll return often as you advance. OWASP is foundational for anyone serious about web application security. It's the encyclopedia and toolkit of the cybersecurity world. Every ethical hacker should know and use OWASP. Make it your reference for all things web security. Fifth is Hacker 101, created by the bug bounty platform HackerOne. Hacker 101 offers free video lessons taught by real security researchers and bug bounty hunters. The curriculum covers everything from web security basics to advanced attack techniques. Lessons are concise, practical, and focused on real-world application. The platform includes a Capture the Flag, CTF section. Solve challenges to reinforce what you've learned. Completing CTFs can earn you invitations to private bug bounty programs on HackerOne, a direct path from learning to earning. All content is free, including videos, CTFs, and private program invites. Hacker 101 is perfect if you want to break into bug bounty hunting. You'll learn how to find, exploit, and report vulnerabilities like a pro. The combination of expert instruction and hands-on challenges is powerful. It's a unique resource that connects education with real-world opportunities. If you're aiming for a career in bug bounties, start here. The skills you gain are immediately applicable and in demand. Hacker 101 demystifies the bug bounty world and gives you a clear path forward. Don't miss this chance to learn from the best in the business. Number 6 is Over the Wire, a classic text-based platform with command-line war games. It's not flashy, but it's legendary for teaching Linux fundamentals and security concepts. The Bandit war game is the perfect starting point. Learn navigation, file permissions, and basic scripting by solving level-based challenges. Each level builds on the last, making learning addictive and progressive. There are no tutorials, just problems to solve, pushing you to research and experiment. You'll master the command line and develop critical problem-solving skills. After Bandit, explore games like Natus, web security, Crypten, cryptography, and more. All you need is an SSH client, no sign-up required. Over the Wire is free, community-driven, and packed with content. It's a rite of passage for aspiring hackers and a fantastic way to build foundational skills. The simplicity keeps you focused on learning, not distractions. You'll gain confidence and independence as you progress. These skills are timeless and essential for any cybersecurity career. If you want to truly understand the hacker mindset, start here. Over the Wire is where you build your core skills from the ground up. Last up is SecurityTube, the YouTube of information security. It's a massive library of free videos covering every security topic imaginable. Find tutorials on Wi-Fi hacking, malware analysis, exploit development, and more. Content comes from a diverse range of security pros and enthusiasts worldwide. Playlists and mega primers let you deep dive into tools like Metasploit or topics like reverse engineering. SecurityTube shines with advanced and niche content, perfect for exploring beyond the basics. Video quality varies, but the knowledge is invaluable. The interface is old school, but the content is gold. No paywalls, no subscriptions, just pure free education. Use SecurityTube to supplement your learning with real-world demonstrations. When you want to see a tool or technique in action, search here first. It's a classic resource that's helped countless people get started in security. Perfect for visual learners and those on a budget, SecurityTube is your go-to video reference for all things InfoSec. Bookmark it and dive in whenever you want to see hacking in action. There you have it, 7 free resources to launch your ethical hacking journey. Use your skills responsibly, always get permission and stay within legal boundaries. By learning, you're joining the fight to make the digital world safer. Be patient, stay curious, and keep exploring. There's always more to learn. Share your favorite resources in the comments and help others on their path. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.